Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be creating an editing gacha. Well, this is not gacha, it's paint, MS Paint. So I've been I always use this, and I'm always saving gacha characters. So the gacha I'm going to be editing today is, let's see. This. I'm going to be editing this character today. So, sorry if I'm really silent because I haven't edited this character before. I'm only going to be editing the colours of the outfits, not the hair colour or anything like that. Yes, I know. So today I'll be doing basically a lot of videos today because I'm staying home all day, and that's kind of good because more videos for you guys, and the busier I am, yippee. No guys, it is fine. So I'm just starting off with this really light lavender colour that you might not be able to see on camera, but I can see it. When you cover it all, this is the lavender there. There we go. Rid of that. This will take a while to do. It's paint it. Yeah, this will be put in parts. So, because the limit on my screen recorder right now, the limit is only 15 minutes. You can't do more than 15 minutes. So this video has to be exactly 15 minutes or not, or lower, because I will be putting it in parts if I don't do it less than 15 minutes. So I don't know why I'm so silent. Wait, why is there no music in the background? Sorry guys, I just gotta put some music in. Come on. What the heck? It doesn't matter. So, don't know why I'm still saying I'm just doing this, doing that. Oh, this paintbrush is way easier. Way easier to use. Thanks, I'll be using this every time. Wow, I haven't even finished the eye patch and it's been more than 3 minutes already. I'm gonna be keeping white there, but the eye patch here looks pretty decent actually. That's pretty decent. Actually looks legit. Wow, I'm surprised. So now let's go into the hood. Why am I zoomed in so much? But I only need to be that zoomed much. So thanks. Please say yes. I'm gonna be doing the hood in this dark purple, basically. This keeps on running out. I'm just gonna. Wait, what the heck? I didn't know that was that thin. Jesus. Wait. Yes! You can do that. Yep. You do. This will be way easier now. Whoa, thanks for me to be discovering this. just gotta go over this. Okay, so I'm gonna be creating this more darky around here. Oh, look, if I try and do that, okay, that is fine. Okay, just wondering. So guys, if you didn't really already make it out that I'm doing a HUD right now, well, you're just blind, sorry. I might actually create this in the time limit. If I do, I'm gonna be so surprised. Yeah, I can't speed it up or anything, so I'll have to just be like doing it in a normal time, because like I can't speed it up like I just said. So so there. Now let me put some shading up here. Okay, I think all the shading is actually done. Oh no. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. Keep that up there. There. Let me check this out. Wow, that looks cool. Nah, I don't at all. I'm so shocked. Shook. Shook. That just sounded weird. Now let's go into the outfit. I'm staying with this. How dare that not be covered? Wow, I'm still shocked just about over there. Okay, there. Stay still. So now, if you didn't make this out again, I'm doing this. So trying to fill it up like this, and that's not working. So I just gotta go in the traditional big old block. I'm gonna make that a little bit smaller. Yeah, I think the outfit's gonna be the baddest part about this, cause like, so there will be a lot videos based on this time down here on this date, because I'm gonna try and actually upload all of them today. So if I don't, they were all made on the same day, so don't be scared of like, because I'm not gonna be making any videos tomorrow. This is gonna be making it up, because we're gonna be going to like, literally out. I haven't made that many videos this week, like hardly, actually zero actually. I haven't even made one video this week. I'm shocked. I usually at least make one video a week, just because I'm being so busy, guys. It's like, not like any other people even like my videos, it's just that I've been like going out and like, because it is the school holidays right now, and I'm not like in school or anything. Like, I have 6 minutes left to do this. What? This ball and I'm gonna get hurt. I never listen. So, watch one of my first videos, like, will I part 1? I'm not even making a part 2 of that, because my flipping Roblox account got hacked. and I created a different one, and I have none of those things. Not even skirts or heels. 5 minutes left. Oh my god, why did I... Oh, not that. Okay, there, but like that. Nope. You live and you will learn, like, yeah. She got me. Sorry guys, I'm actually quitting this game. I'm not doing that today. 5 minutes left to do this thing that I'm gonna be trying to do. I'm so cringy. Why? Why do I even deserve 1 subscriber? Why? Don't know why I'm doing like arm movements, because like literally you can't see my arms. I'm singing this. I love Niskda.
I'm gonna enter my
oh
password
my god.
right now. Here we go. Let's get sighted. Oh no. You were kicked from this game. You were ineligible to collect your reward. Oh my gosh.
So guys, that was creepy. I'm never doing that.
Welcome back to the Roblox video on the channel. Today inside of this one, what we are doing, we are back on the free Roblox.
Okay guys, if you can't hear it, I'm just putting the lyrics up. Okay.
What I should do, I should actually enter in my username and password inside of these games, because I explained in the video how it pretty much tries to scam you into entering in your
Okay.
username and password so you get free Robux. Well, what basically happens when you enter in your password and you hit login, it's gonna say your password's incorrect.
Okay.
What I didn't do inside of the video, I didn't actually enter in my password. So what I am going to do right now,
So I'm watching this. Wait, how long is this video on for? Not enough time. Sorry guys, I have to end it here because like my time limit's nearly up. I'm already on 13 minutes and like this video is 10 minutes long, basically 11. So I'll see you in the next video, so bye!